Sounds tropical, and even the trees look tropical. Those are native Arbutus trees. We're out for our October bike ride. There's some kayakers going past. This is what it's like on the Gulf Islands, man. It's just a beautiful October day. It is awesome. It's warm out here. Yeah, very nice. Thanks for watching. Cheers. It's a great sound. Those are red-winged blackbirds, and those are native Arbutus trees. They look like eucalyptus. They look like they belong in the tropics, but they don't. They're not tropical trees, but they look tropical. And they only grow in this part of Canada. No shortage of them on these islands. They're evergreen, which is nice. The bark peels like eucalyptus. Huh? Wow. Beautiful. I love this tree. Look at it.
Oh, it's so pretty. Yeah.
This is why we live here.
So are those the,
Red-winged blackbirds.
oh, so nice.
Wow. Boats going by out there. Lovely. That's how I ride in flip-flops. Somebody gave me crap for that last week. Don't ride in flip-flops. I like riding in flip-flops. I live in flip-flops. Thanks for watching.